have less mass, what's going to happen to the cooling rate? It's going to cool faster, right? So you're going to skew your data.
Congratulations, everybody. Happy graduation. Good luck out there, and hopefully things will get better soon.